Ever had a phone call where you're vibing, then silence hits like a brick wall? Or rocked a job interview with perfect answers only to realize you're staring at the ceiling while they blink at you? Those fumbles? They're signals. Communication's trickier than it looks. Let's unpack it. Rewind those scenes. You knew what they wanted, but the message got lost in the ether. Communication skills are the bridge, linking your thoughts to theirs with confidence and clarity. What are they made of? And why do they matter so much? We're about to find out. Here's the rundown. Communication skills are how you send and snag messages. Sharp, clean, with or without words. It's not just chatting, it's hearing what's said, catching what's not, and replying so it sticks. Imagine a ping pong game. You serve, they return, miss a beat, and the ball's in the weeds. Verbals, your voice. Words you pick, how you string them, the tone you set. Could you help lands softer than do it? Now, it's about steering their reaction. Nonverbal's the quiet power, your stance, your eyes. Slouch in an interview? They'll read nerves even if your pitch is flawless. Active listening's gold. Lean in, nod, ask a quick got it. It shows you're locked in, not just waiting your turn. Empathy's the glue. See a teammate sweating a deadline? A simple "I've got your back" flips stress into trust. So why is this a big deal? Mudded communication sparks fights, flops deals, clear words build bonds, keep gears turning. Think of the brainiac stuck in neutral. Then the leader who talks straight, lifts spirits, seals the win. It's the difference. Master it, and you're unshakable. Meetings, chats, whatever. Your voice carries weight. Guess instead of ask? You're off track, facts need air. Tune out mid-talk? You miss the point. They feel ignored. Crossing borders? A yes nod might mean no elsewhere. Culture shifts the code. Spot these, sidestep them. Smooth sailing starts there. Tips to get better? Start simple. Listen like it truly matters. No half-hearted attention. Reflect back with a quick, just to be sure you mean this. Speak with intention. Let your posture, tone, and expression tell the same story. Feedback is your secret weapon. Ask someone, did that come across clearly? And adjust as you go. Turn everyday moments into practice. Whether chatting with friends or leading a meeting, every word is a chance to improve. So recap time, communication's a two-way street. Talking, hearing, linking up. Ditch the traps. Guessing, zoning out. And it flows. It's yours to shape. Practice makes it sing. Need more? The Knowledge Academy's communication courses, writing, speaking, polish your edge fast. Jump in, talk like a pro. Liked this? Hit like, share, subscribe to the Knowledge Academy. Stay tuned, talk soon.